To edit a SharePoint page, follow these steps. Open SharePoint. Navigate to the SharePoint site containing the page you want to edit. Locate the page. Go to the page you wish to modify. This can typically be found in the site's pages library or through a direct link if you know the URL. Edit the page. Click the Edit button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. This will open the page in edit mode, allowing you to make changes. Modify content. Use the editing tools available in the ribbon or toolbar. You can add or adjust web parts, text, images, and other content. Click on existing web parts to configure settings or replace content. Add web parts. To insert new elements, click on the plus icon or add the web part button. Choose from various web parts like text, images, documents, or lists to enhance the page. Preview changes. Use the preview button to see how your changes will look before finalizing them. Save and publish. Click Save as Draft if you want to save your changes without publishing. To make the changes live, click Publish.